Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving ISS मतलब इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का जो पेपर 4 है, जो रिसेंट एग्जामिनेशन हो गया है, उसी पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, एनी ऑफ दैट, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, प्लीज कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस number. Dr. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query through WhatsApp. So let's start with question number 2a. So what will you just say? Question number 2a, we have 5 jobs a, b, c, d and e, and each of the job must go through 3 machines m1, m2 and m3 for processing in the order m1, m2, m3. So what is the processing time in hours are given below. So processing time in hours are jobs m1, m2, m3, that is the a jobs m1 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour and respectively all jobs are given below. So determine the optimal sequence of the jobs that will minimize total elapsed time and also calculate the ideal times of 3 machines. So how can I solve this? कैसे हम सवाल को सॉल्व करेंगे? Since we have 3 machines, so we will transform the problem into an equivalent 2 machine problem. Equivalent 2 machine problem. So combine the processing on m1 and m2. Combine the processing on m1 and m2, and that will be make into a single machine, that is m12, and next we solve m2 and m3 into a single machine m23. So define m12, that means m1 plus m2, and m23 is m2 plus m3. So for each job we calculate job a m12, in job a m12 m1 plus m2, that means 4 plus 5 equals total 9 hours. And what will be the value of m23? That is m2 plus m3, that is 6, 5 plus 8 equals to 13. And in job B, what is the value of m12 equals to 9 plus 6, 15. And m23, that is 6 plus 10 equals to 16. So for job C, m12, that means 8 plus 2, that is 10. m23, that is 2 plus 6, 8. For job D, for job D, m12, 6 plus 3, that is 9, and m23, 6 plus 3 plus 7, that is 10. And for job E, the value is m12, that is 9, and m23, that is 15. So apply Johnson rule. After this, applying Johnson rule, Identify the smallest processing time among all jobs M12 and M23. So if the smallest time is M12, schedule to the corresponding job as early as possible, and is the smallest job of time to M23, schedule for the corresponding job as late as possible. So these steps will be repeat until all jobs are scheduled. Okay, so scheduling all jobs. So what is the smallest time? The smallest time is 8 here. For job C on M23 and scheduled last job. Okay, and the next smallest time, that is 9, that is recording on job ADE on M12, that is schedule them in order they appear. Okay, so remaining job B times 15 both M12 and M23. Schedule job B last among remaining jobs. Schedule job B, that is last among schedule job B last among remaining jobs. So what is the optimal sequence considering ties is A, D, E, B, C. A, D, E, B, C. So what is the net chart for calculation ideal times with optimal sequence? Net chart GNN with optimal sequence A, D, E, B, C. A, A, D, E, B, C. Okay, so calculate the job start and finish time for each job on the machine, that is job A, job M1 start, M2 start, M1 start, M1 sorry, next table is M1 start, M1 finish. The next table is M2 start, M2 finish. The next table is M3 start, M3 finish. So the job AB, the job AB, sorry, ADEBC. So what is the result? 0449917. 0. This is the table. This is the table. Table. This is the table. This is the table. 0449 0 4 9 4499 044, sorry, 044 99 99 17. And next result is 4 10 10 13 17 24 4 10 10 10 70, sorry, 10 10 13 17 24. E result is 10 15 15 19 24 35 10 19 24 35. And this is the result here. B for 15 24 24 30 35 45 30 35 45. And what is the result of C? C 24 32 32 24 32 32 34 45 51. Thirty-four 45 51. So what is the ideal times? So what is the ideal time for machine M1? Is ideal time for job A is 0 hours. Job A to D 10 minus 4, that is 6 hours. Job D to E 15 minus 10, 5 hours. Job E to B job E to B, job E to B 24 minus 4 15, that is 9 hours, and job B to C, that is 34 minus 24, that is 8 hours. Job B to C is 8 hours. So what is the total IDM time for M1? 06598. So what is the total ideal time? That is 28 hours. Okay, next we calculate the ideal time for M2. So ideal time before job A starting is 4 hours, because job A starts M2 at 4. Hours. Next, job D to job A to D, job A to job D, इसमें क्या रिजल्ट आएगा A to D का 10 minus 9, that is 1 hours. Job D to E, job D to job E, that is 15 minus 3, that is 2 hours. Job E to B, that is 24 minus 9, that's 19, that is 5 hours. That is job B to job C, that is 32 minus 30, that is 2 hours. After calculating this, the total time, ideal time for M2 is 14 hours. Now we'll calculate the ideal time for M3. So job A start job A start 9 hours, and job A to D, that is 17 minus 17, job A to job D, that is 17 minus 17, that is 0 hours, and job D to E, that is also job D to job E, 24 minus 24, that is also 0, and job D to E, that is job D to E, that is 24 minus 24, that is also 0 hours. Job E to B, that is 35 minus 35, that is also 0, and job B to C here, 45 minus 45 also 0 hours. So what is the total ideal time for M3? M3 is 9 hours. So what is the optimal sequence? AD, optimal sequence is AD, EB, C. AD, sorry, EB, EBC. So what is the ideal time, sir? 20 M1 for M1 28 hours, M2 14 hours and M3 9 hours. So that's all for today. आज के लिए इतना ही. ऐसे ही बहुत सारा न्यूमेरिकल्स और मेथड्स जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू चैम्प्स.